Hello, my name is Umair Ashrafi and my student ID is MIT162646. Today I'm talking about the software which is SNORT, which I used for my presentation to explore further. It is a packet tracer which is basically used by organization to packet logging and internet protocols. This software is help you to monitor the traffic and different protocols of internet and determine the IP addresses and the different ports which is used by the PCs in the organization. And so in my further video I will be exploring some of the features of its nodes. Oh yeah, so I'm now using the second version, which is Snort, and I've already downloaded the Snort file. Here is the Snort file which I use it for my tutorial for the video, and this is the link which I use it, which I already downloaded the Snort file. So coming back towards the folder, here is the folder of Snort. You can see here is the Snort file, and here is the Snort folder. And for now launching the Snort, I have to click this one. So here you can see it is a packet tracer. It's already start packet tracing. So as you can see, there are the IP address of this PC and the subnet mark which is mentioned here. And for stopping this, I need to press Control C. So this must be stop. So now for Snort in a CMD, now I have to initialize in a CMD. CMD is a command prompt to make this to work all the commands. So here is the CMD prompt. So for this I have to make the correct directory. Okay. So here is the correct directory we can use for the snort command. So first command which I'm using it is snort -w, which is showing the physical address of this particular computer. As you can see, the network address, the physical address, the IP address, the device name, and the description. The second command which I'm using is to trace the packets. I will be using is -i, which is for packet tracing. This will take some time because this initializing all the data for tracing all the packets which this computer receives and out. So this commands take some time. Or we can do just Control C to stop these commands. To if it is taking too much time, because we have to cover so many commands. As it's taking too much time, so I'm taking back to Control C, because this command already show these type of stats. Once it runs, it shows how many ethernets are using this PC, because it is like there are so many PCs here. So I think this command will take so much time to run. So I'm using another command which is like snort -, to show all the commands. Here we can see how many commands are there. There are so many commands which you can use. If a person don't know which command do you use, he can use snort -, to show all the commands which work on snort. My next command will be snort -l to show directory. Here we can see the directory mode of snort, which we can see all the directories in our snort. And my last command would be snort -i to initialize the packet tracing. And this would be my last command. And as you can see, it will take some time. Meanwhile, I can run the snort packaging here as well to trace the packet. Yeah, it's running now. So as you can see, the packet starts running here as well as here as well. So we can see how many traffics are coming on this particular computer through the gateways and the IP address and the subnet mark and their speeds. As you can see, the LAN is 50, 24. So you can see the tracing is packet tracing. Both are covering the packet tracing here. For stopping here, I can see Control C here. It's just not mode. Yeah. So here you can see the complete analyzed data. As you can see, analyzed 10%. Only Ethernet 10th, Ethernet, IP version 4th, and 100% TCP. This is using UDP ID. So here is the stats of the SNORT. This software is particularly using for tracing IP address and packet data from different PCs. Now that's all about it. Thank you. Now coming back towards the conclusion of the Snort, as we have shown that there are several commands which we can run on the Snort platform to have the access about traffic packet logging and traffic tracing, about how many, what's the network speed, how many traffic are coming towards the network, what is the packet source and different IP address and the physical address of the device which we are using. So this is a small tool, is a small software to track all the packet tracing and all the features of the internet protocols, which is developed by Cisco, and this is all about it. Thank you.